MVP, you go to this thing a dozen times a day. You might as well learn it. Today's Semper Gumby Fitness Challenge. 100 curls, the targets of opportunity before you chow down. Let's do it.
Off we go into the wild blue yonder, climbing high into the sun. Here they come, zooming to meet our thunder. Adam boys, give her the gun. Down we dive, spouting a flame from under. Up with one hell of a roar.
And one extra for your service. If that's too much in one setting, start at 10, work your way up. For extra credit, perform your first set in the pronated position. Perform your next set in the hammer position. And then perform your last set in the supinated position. And that is your Semper Gumby workout for today. Get some.